Our next story is about a possibly groundbreaking set of vaccines. Jabs for cancer, cardiovascular and autoimmune diseases, which leading pharmaceutical firm Moderna says will be ready by 2030, according to a report in The Guardian. Let's get you the details. After Moderna's success when it comes to creating the COVID-19 vaccine, studies say the firm's vaccinations show tremendous promise. In fact, researchers say that 15 years worth of progress has been unveiled in just 12 to 18 months, thanks to Moderna's effective COVID-19 jabs. And the pharmaceutical firm is now concentrating on personalized cancer vaccines, which will fight against multiple tumor types. So what exactly is Moderna's strategy towards cancer? Researchers say that they will be using therapies based on mRNA, also known as messenger ribonucleic acid. How exactly does mRNA work? What's the strategy? The mRNA molecule is first injected into a patient. The molecule then instructs the cells to make certain proteins, which will alert the immune system to strike the virus. The immune response will then destroy the virus cells without causing any harm to the healthy cells. In fact, Moderna carried out trials of its mRNA vaccine for respiratory syncytial viruses, which usually cause mild cold-like symptoms. The vaccine was proven 83.7% effective when it comes to preventing at least two symptoms, cough and fever. And this led to the FDA granting the vaccine a breakthrough therapy designation, which means that its regulatory review will now be expedited. So how exactly will Moderna's personalized cancer vaccine work really? First, a biopsy of the cancer patient's tumor will be studied in order to sequence its genetic material so that it can identify mutations that are not present in the healthy cells. And in the second stage, a machine learning algorithm will identify which mutations are driving the growth of the cancer. The algorithm will also learn how to trigger an immune response. And now comes the role of the mRNAs. Once injected into the patient, the mRNA turns into protein pieces which are identical to those found in tumor cells. Immune cells then encounter the protein pieces and destroy the cancer cells. Moderna, in fact, is not the only one creating new vaccines. Another leading pharmaceutical company, Pfizer, is also planning to start clinical trials of an mRNA-based influenza vaccine. The pharmaceutical giant saying that the COVID-19 vaccine development process has helped in carrying out mRNA research. While firms move on to developing new vaccines, the COVID-19 virus has still not left the people of India. India has reported over 5,800 cases of the Wuhan virus in the last 24 hours, the daily COVID-19 positivity rate standing at 6.91%, while the recovery rate is pegged at 98.73%. In fact, the country has witnessed 14 COVID-19 related deaths, with 4 deaths each reported from New Delhi and the northern state of Himachal Pradesh, 2 deaths in the southern state of Kerala, and a single death each from Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Although safety masks have still not been mandated, the Indian government has launched a nationwide mock drill in order to inspect the hospital preparedness, in which both public and private facilities will be participating. Is it too soon to develop new vaccines while COVID-19 variants continue to spread? Or do scientists perceive COVID-19 as a seasonal virus now? Well, the only thing that you and I can do is take precautions and always keep your guard on. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.